Here is my unboxing video of the Bonnell 775 MX. You'll see first up there's a lot of cardboard in there protecting the bike, which is good. Attached to one of those pieces of cardboard is a quick setup guide. Read through that, it'll teach you how to set the bike up for your first ride. Next to the frame, obviously you see I'm missing my wheels. I'll get to that in a minute. Inside this box, you'll find your front mudguard with its mounting hardware, your manual for your brakes and your suspension, your shock pump up your forks, and your pedals with a little toolkit. On the Facebook group, someone posted the 775 MX owner's manual. Click that, download it, print it off, good to have a hard copy. I also bought some pedals. I wanted to change up the color, so I've got these blue pedals to throw on there. I also bought some hand grips, changed that as well to blue. I didn't think about the throttle, so I cannot fit those. Got some tire valves, also didn't realize changing the tubeless, they won't fit. I got the ODI number plate. I think all downhill forks need this plate. A couple of bucks on AliExpress. Also got a mudguard for the rear. The Bonnell doesn't come with one, so you definitely need one of those on the rear of the bike. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a bell. So here are my rims and tires. I took them straight to the shop, got them converted to tubeless and put tire inserts, some cush cores in there just to protect those rims a little bit more. Could have done it myself, but I'm a bit lazy and want it done straight away, so I got the tire shop to do it for me. Just installing the wheels now. Pretty easy job, just straight through axle. Doing the front, same thing, straight through axle, easy done. Next, remove this little bit of cushion. That'll just get you to your display. Install your handlebars and connect up all your cables. Undo that left top cap. That'll open up the valve to pump your shocks up. I pumped mine up to 100. I like mine pretty firm. Install your front mudguard with the 4 supplied hardware bolts and add your ODI plate. Hide those cables, keep it clean. Just installing the pedals and removing my seat plastic. Of course, last job, install that bell. Plug it in, push and hold the battery for roughly 3 seconds, it will turn green. Then push and hold that bottom button for another 2 seconds and your screen will light up. All the batch 2 came with the updated firmware, so you shouldn't have to do that. And she works, beautiful. Thank you for watching my unboxing video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will be posting up a video soon of my first ride. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.